The M16 is an iconic military rifle designed by Eugene Stoner in the 1950s. It has served in the US Armed Forces. M16 एक प्रतिष्ठित सैन्य राइफल है जिसे 1950 के दशक में यूजीन स्टोनर द्वारा डिजाइन किया गया था। इसने अमेरिकी सशस्त्र बलों और दुनिया भर में कई अन्य सैन्य इकाइयों में सेवा की है। लोअर रिसीवर राइफल के निचाई हिस्से में ट्रिगर असेंबली और मैगजीन के साथ बोल्ट कैरियर ग्रुप इंक्लूड्स द बोल्ट फायरिंग पिन अपर रिसीवर द टॉप पार्ट ऑफ द राइफल हाउसिंग द बोल्ट बैरल। M16's precision and power are remarkable. The M4A1 carbine, known for its reliability and precision. Let's explore its firing mechanism. It all starts with the trigger. Squeezing it releases the hammer, which strikes the firing pin. The firing pin ignites the primer, starting a controlled explosion in the cartridge. The expanding gas forces the bullet down the rifled barrel at high speed. Exiting the muzzle, the bullet spins for stability and accuracy. The Beretta 9mm is known for its precision and compact design. Today, we'll explore its firing mechanism. Start with a trigger pull. This action releases the firing pin, setting the process in motion. The firing pin strikes the primer, igniting the cartridge's propellant. The expanding gas drives the bullet through the barrel, delivering accuracy in a compact package. The Beretta 9mm. To start with the disassembly process, remove the magazine by pressing the release button located on the left side of the grip. Pull the magazine out. Pull the slide backward. डिसअसेंबली प्रोसेस शुरू करने के लिए ग्रिप के लेफ्ट साइड पर लोकेटेड रिलीज बटन दबाकर मैगजीन हटाओ। मैगजीन बाहर निकालो। स्लाइड को पीछे खींचो, चेक करो कि फायरिंग चेंबर में कोई राउंड्स नहीं है। To start with the disassembly process, remove the magazine by pressing the release button located on the left side of the grip. Pull the magazine out. Pull the slide backward to check that no rounds are in the firing chamber. The Barrett M107, also known as the M107 long-range sniper rifle, is a powerful anti-materiel rifle designed in the United States. Chambered for the .50 BMG 12.7 by 99